Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick review of this vise stand or grinder stand, whatever you want to call it. This stand is, let me tell you, it meets and exceeds my expectation. I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. I was thinking building it myself. When I started pricing the price of the material and then to weld it, and I've realized I'm like, let's see if I can find something online. So I've been looking for quite a long time, and this company I found, I post a link for the eBay store, and you can go to their website. On eBay store you have an option to to bid, actually, to give your price. This is where I got it. Definitely a quality product. 1/2 inch plate, bottom and top, powder coated, holes drilled at the bottom, so if you want to attach it to the concrete or if you want to make an extra legs or whatever you want to do, it's your call. Quality of the weld, let me show you the quality of the weld. It's a little bit dusty, but excellent quality. And everything is powder coated. Plates are 1/2 inch thick. Excellent job. Welded, not just poorly welded, but welded really good. Has some chipped off, and it just got damaged when I was unboxing, basically. Yeah, I chipped off, I wasn't careful, but it's a stand, you know what I mean. If you're using it as a stand for, I'm gonna use for vise, it's gonna get chipped, and you know, it's a tool. It's designed for it to be, you're gonna put the tools, you're gonna use the hammer, whatever, to do your work. So if you're looking for a vise stand or a grinder or some other purposes, give this company a try. Go to their website. They have a lot more on their website. A lot. They have all kind of stuff, especially if you are if you have a shop, whatever the shop it is. If you're working with tools, producing something, you gotta give them a give them a try and look at their website. This video is not sponsored. They're not asking me to do this video or anything. I'm just doing my own because I'm very happy with the product, very satisfied, and I'm just glad that I found them on eBay, because I've been looking, like I said earlier, for a long time for something like this. And I know people who are in business, welders, and I asked them to price it for me, and the price they're offering, you just can't beat. You know, very reasonable price, and quality product. So it comes in a box. Let me show you the box. It comes in this box. It's sandwiched between two plywoods. I think it's like 1/4 inch plywood, maybe 3/8, not sure. There's a plastic wrap, so it's sandwiched so to prevent damage. But again, you know, if someone throws the stuff around, no matter how well you protect, it's gonna get damaged if people who are delivering are careless and don't care about what's in the box or about somebody else's property. So that's pretty much it. Not sure what else to say. Size of the plates, 1/2 inch thickness, 12 by 12. These are 12, and the height is about, if I'm not mistaken, 33 inches. So very comfortable height up to the waist, and up to, for an average person, maybe a little bit higher depending on your height. But that's pretty much it, you know what I mean. So if you are looking for something like this for your home, maybe for your shop, if you're the type of a person that you like to work on things, you know, housework, cars, bikes, landscaping equipment, whatever, this is a must-have. So, well, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to check this company out. Have a great day. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.